Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm going to make dal palak recipe. It's very simple, very easy, very delicious. And to complement that, I'll be making a side dish. Okay, for that you'll have to stick till the end and watch the entire recipe. That side dish tastes awesome. It's very easy to make. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Please share my videos with your friends and family. And let's get started with the video. So the first step towards making the dal palak is I've taken 1/3 cup of moong dal. So I've soaked it in the water for around 1 to 2 hours. I washed it nicely and then I will transfer this in a pressure cooker and we'll give this 2 to 3 whistle, okay, until the dal is cooked properly. Right, so while the dal is pressure cooking, okay, I've taken this 2 bunch of palak, out of which I sorted out the good leaves and I washed them nicely and I will chop them. Now for the cooking, I'll be heating around 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'll be adding in 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black elaichi and 5 to 6 peppercorns. And then I'll be adding in around half teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by 3 finely chopped garlic. So I've sliced the garlic. Okay, now we'll just fry this garlic until it gets slightly brown at the edges. As you can see, the garlic is turning brown. I'll be adding in fresh curry leaves, followed by ginger, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, and finely chopped 1 medium sized onion. Alright, now I'll fry this until the onion turns slight brown. And yes, while the onion is frying, I'll be adding in 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Okay, as you can see, the onion is turning slight brown. At this point, I'll be adding in tomato. This is 1 medium sized tomato that I've finely chopped. Just give it a mix. And I'll start adding the dry spices. First goes in half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, that's jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'll just give it a mix here. Now make sure that if the masala is turned dried, you can add water. So I'll just add in water, mix it well. Okay, just add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and I'll just close the lid. Okay, now I'll open the lid. Okay, now it's been around 3 to 4 minutes that I've fried this masala well. Okay, the idea is to get the raw taste of the tomato out from this masala. Just make sure that you fry it well. Now I'll add this and mix the vegetable well. Okay, so as you can see, the masala has mixed well with the spinach. Now we will close the lid and let this vegetable cook nicely on low flame. Now this might take some time, okay, around 6 to 7 minutes. I'll keep checking the masala, okay, so that it doesn't burn. Now the spinach will start oozing out the water. Okay, so we'll wait around 6 to 7 minutes. We'll keep frying this well. So it's been around 7 to 8 minutes that I've fried this well. Okay, now in regular intervals I kept adding water so that the masala doesn't stick down and the vegetable doesn't burn. You need to make sure of that. The reason why we fry this for a long time is because spinach has this bitter taste, so we need to get rid of that. So can you look at this? It's perfectly done now, and now it's time to add the dal, and I will add this. Okay, now is the time you can adjust the salt if needed. Alright, and now I'll be adding in some water. Okay, now I'll just let this simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Okay, so as you can see, it's come to a boil. Okay, and our dal palak is ready. So I'll add in freshly coriander and turn the flame off. Just close this with the lid. So I'll just let it rest while we prepare the side dish. Alright, so I'll be taking one eggplant and we will slice it. Okay. Alright, so I've cut 4 slices and I'll keep it aside now, and we will make the masala. Now for the masala, I'll be taking besan, okay, that is gram flour. So this would be around 3 tablespoons, and followed by Kashmiri chili powder, that's 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, and around 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt you can add as per your taste, and now I'll just give it a mix. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be coating this eggplant with the masala. Just coat it well, and we will keep it aside. Now the reason why we keep it aside, because the eggplant will ooze out a little water and the masala will stick to the eggplant nicely. So just keep it aside for around 5 minutes. Okay, now I'll take a non-stick pan, okay, and we will start frying it. For this you need very less oil, okay, you just need to shallow fry this. Don't use too much oil because the masala might fall off from the eggplant. So just grease your pan. As you can see, the masala is nicely coated and stuck to the eggplant, and now we can start frying it. Alright, so I'll just cover this with a lid for around 1 minute. Okay, let it fry well. Alright, that's it. As you can see, the eggplant is fried well. Now it's time to remove. And now you can serve this with your dal palak. Alright, that's it guys for today's recipe. It was that simple to make dal palak and the eggplant as a side dish as well. Do try this out. It tastes amazing. Just rice, dal palak and the eggplant. Mwah. Try this and let me know how you like this video. Let me know in the comments below what recipe would you like me to try next. And please do subscribe to my channel. Share my videos with your friends and family. Until then, my name is Stan. I'll see you next time in the next recipe. Bye-bye.